Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials. For today's project, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little sign using stencil paper just in time for Valentine's Day. So as you can see here, we are starting with just a blank piece of wood, and this project is pretty simple, so what we're going to do first is start with our paint. Today I'm going to be using one of my favorites. This is the Rust-Oleum chalked paint in linen white. Coverage is pretty good, and this only took me 2 coats to get this. Now that our board is ready, we can start adding our stencil. Now that our board is ready, we can go into Design Space and print out our stencil. So you're going to want to make sure that your sizing is right. So just measure your board and then size it accordingly in Design Space. Then when you're ready, you can go ahead and press continue and make it. We are ready to do our weeding. So if you have any spots like this that bubble up, you just want to stick them back down. I'm actually going to be removing everything right on my mat. Your mat is kind of like a second hand. It sticks and holds everything down, so you've got your other two to do whatever you need to pull things off. When you're doing stencil, you want to remember that you're removing the inside because you're going to be painting this. So just make sure you pull off the right pieces. Let's get to work. Now that the weeding is all done, we can take it off and stick it to our wood. The one thing we should do is add some transfer tape so that all the little pieces stay where we want them to. Once you have your stencil free, you're going to want to line it up carefully on your wood, and once you like the placement, just go ahead and stick it on. So what I did here is I put on the paint, and then I actually added a little bit of this. So if you haven't seen this before, this is glitter paint. It kind of puts like a shimmery finish on top. So I painted it just with regular paint first, and then I added just a little bit of this on top. Now that the paint is dry, we can remove the stencil paper. For this, you're going to want to make sure you pull at an angle, not straight up and down. And there you have it. This project is done, and I really like how it turned out. I especially like all the glitter paint that we added on top. When you move it in the light, it has a really nice shine to it. So this board is going to be one of 3. Make sure you check back in on Wednesday for the next piece in the set, which can be personalized for that special little kid in your life. Thanks for joining me. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We'll see you next time.